Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 7 of 365 of our juice cleanse. No, I get so nervous every time I hear 365. So that's usually why I don't say it, because this is going to be a 12-month journey in 2023. So this is a recap from the day before. We went potty, which is number 2 times, which is good because I normally have a problem with that, so that is really good. Since I am working from home, I only ate twice because that's when I was only hungry, because I'm not doing very much. Now once I start back working, which will be on the weekends, then I will probably boost it up to 3 times. But yes, yesterday I ate the same stuff, which I'll show you my breakfast. I got some fresh orange juice. So yes, the orange juice, you can freeze orange juice, but it's not as potent as when you first get it. So you can freeze it. I think it's been froze about a week. I forgot that I had froze. I was looking for some. If you don't know, I don't juice. I buy it from, I'm in Texas, so I buy it from HEB. They have a fresh, non-pasteurized or whatever department, so I buy it there. Yes, it costs more money, but look, I'm a big girl, and I'm not saying all big people, I'm gonna just speak for me. I'm big and I am somewhat lazy, okay? I need a little help where I can get it. All right, I do plan on buying a juicer. Girl, she lying. A blender first, a Vitamix blender. I'm looking at my calendar over there. In about a week or two, I'm gonna do some reviews on one, and then the next month, that's when I'll be buying my juicer, because by then I will be, or should have gotten, used to this. Some people say 21 days make, what is this? Is this something on my back? Some people say, or the experts say, 21 days to make a new habit. So I'm hoping by the end of this month, we will be used to juicing and eating fruits and veggies. This documentary is for me to be honest with my damn self, and I'm hoping to inspire or encourage somebody else that is plus size. I am pissed off this morning because I had watched other people's journeys and they were recording and weighing themselves every day. I eat the same shit every day because, I like to do that. So if I've lost weight the days before, then this morning, damn scale gonna say I gained a pound and 1 ounce. I stopped eating at 3 or 4 because I'm not hungry. I'm damn sure not starving myself. Not at all. So I'm gonna go back to my original plan, because normally in the past I would say 2 teals in a bucket. Okay? So this time we are not doing that ignorant stuff. Okay, don't do that. Because there's nothing that I have a desire to eat at this moment today. It could change. So I am going to just only weigh in on Sundays or Mondays, but that's it. Because the scale not finna piss me off. Because today I was supposed to be down 10 pounds because I've already lost 9. So today we would have been celebrating the Big 10, but it's gonna come. Okay? We got a whole year. Alright? So I'm not gonna let that piss me off. It was something I was thinking that I wanted to share with y'all. That's what happened when your ass get old. That's really what happened. So yes, you can freeze your juice. Oh, that's what it was. I'm really enjoying, and I know it hasn't been that long, but okay, let me tell you this little story. I'm used to eating out, vegetarian, out and about. And I am really enjoying. Ooh, what is going on? I'm really enjoying not swiping my debit card. I know it ain't been that many days for the fruit challenge, but I'm really enjoying it. I really am. And with me not working as much, I don't know where I would have got the money from anyway, but you know, you will find money for what you want. So I'm really enjoying that. I'm gonna stay patient because I know the days are gonna go by anyway. They're gonna pass next week. Well, what's her line? Say the middle of the month, but she lying. So I'm really just saying all this to encourage myself because I'm kind of impatient, and this is teaching me patience. I am very proud of myself because this is the first time in probably 3 or 4 years that I've actually put myself first. I rearranged my work schedule. I've cut back on working so much to put myself first. I'm also doing a no buy until I at least lose about 50 pounds. I don't need to buy now another shirt that's gonna be too little. Yeah, I don't need to until I lose 50 pounds. So whenever that comes, maybe by this summer I can buy me something, but by then hopefully I won't want to buy nothing. So this is no buy January. I bought me a waist trainer the 31st. I bought that because I need to train this waist. That's what other people been saying. So big as these 3 stomachs is, I don't really know if we can train any of these, but I'm hoping so. I've watched everybody else's transformation, so I know that there is some hope for me. So what else? I didn't have any, well, I did have a little back pain yesterday because I do have inflammation in my back, and my doctor did tell me I have inflammation in my back. So that is my main reason for staying focused. The jackfruit should arrive today. Yay! The jackfruit and the coconut wraps should arrive today. So we will have some of that tomorrow. I'm gonna let the jackfruit sit out at room temperature, of course, covered up. But it done finally got cold here in Texas. When I talked to y'all yesterday, I was telling y'all it's hot. Now it's cold and I got the damn heater on. Texas is bipolar. So I'll just let it sit out. But anyway, the way my mouth has been waiting on it, I don't give a damn. I was gonna say frozen. But, and I've been looking at some new recipes too, so I'm excited. I'm gonna take it one step at a time. I'm gonna start with the jackfruit, and then after that I do know how to make the walnut meat, but for me it works better when I use pecans because pecans help regulate your system. It'll get you going down there. And with the way these 3 stomachs up, I need to be moving and grooving all the time. Okay, so like I said, the jackfruit first, then I'll go back to the tacos, the walnut meat, but I'm going to use pecans and mushrooms and put it in my blender with a little bit of salsa, and then I'm going to add some guacamole to all of that combination and put it on that coconut wrap that's all raw with a side of either strawberries or pineapples because those are more dense and they get you all the way full. Sometimes you will belch. That's what I was gonna tell y'all. My poop doesn't smell like anything. Have y'all noticed that? And have you noticed when you wake up in the morning you don't have morning breath? It doesn't smell like anything. I definitely can appreciate that because you know sometimes if you got a mask on or even if you don't, that breath be humming. But now the breath is not humming. The poop, you don't need no spray afterwards. So thank you guys for coming on this journey. Make sure you like, definitely leave me some comments down below, and subscribe, because we got a journey. We are going to be documenting this every day until your girl gets slim and trim, or until something happens. Bye, guys.